Welcome to Golden Software's demonstration video for Grapher 11. This video will cover the Grapher interface, including customization of the Windows interface ribbon bar and the quick access toolbar. A newly implemented feature in Grapher 11 is the Windows interface ribbon bar. Each menu command is now laid out with individual icons so you can quickly navigate to the desired command and create graphs with ease. Tabs group related menu commands together for easier identification. To switch between the tabs, simply click on the tab name at the top. For example, the Draw tab contains the commands for drawn objects. One menu command located under the Draw tab is the Rectangle tool. The Rectangle tool can be clicked to draw a rectangle in the plot. Click the Rectangle tool. In the plot window, click near the top left of the page and drag the mouse to the lower right. Release the mouse to draw a rectangle. Press Escape on the keyboard to end digitizing mode. Otherwise, when you click back on the plot windows, the drawing cursor is present. That can cause confusion later. Another important tab is the Graphs tab, which contains all the commands to draw, edit, and customize a graph. There are 3 different window types in Grapher, and each utilizes specific ribbon tabs. Open a sample file by going to File, Open, then navigating to Computer, OSC, Program Files, Golden Software, Grapher 11, Samples, 3dbubbleplot.gpj, and clicking Open. As of now, you are looking at the plot window, the first window type. The plot window is displayed when Grapher is first open or when any graph is displayed. The plot window's ribbon tabs have tools to create and edit the plot. The plot-specific tabs can be identified as the ones that are highlighted in blue. The second is the worksheet window. The worksheet window is displayed when a new worksheet is created or when a worksheet is opened in Grapher. To create a new worksheet, click File, New, Worksheet. The worksheet tabs include worksheet editing commands. The worksheet window specific tabs are highlighted in yellow. The Graphs tab allows you to directly create a graph while viewing the worksheet. The third window type is the grid window. The grid window is displayed when the grid file is opened in Grapher to view the XYZ grid node values and the contour lines. Open a sample file by going to File, Open, then navigating to Computer, OSC, Program Files, Golden Software, Grapher 11, Samples, helens2.grd, and clicking Open. The grid tabs include the grid editing commands. The grid-specific tabs are highlighted in red. The grid tabs include the Grid tab, which controls the contour levels and displays the grid information. The Graphs tab allows you to create a graph while viewing the grid. Now click the 3D Bubble Plot tab to view the plot window again. The ribbon bar is fully customizable, allowing for full control over the interface. The customizable options include minimizing the ribbon bar to maximize the plot window. This will also give Grapher the menu look that was used in previous versions. To do this, either right-click on the ribbon bar anywhere and select the Minimize the Ribbon option, or click the arrow button at the top. Notice that the ribbon bar has been minimized. To select the options from the commands, click on the tab name to see the related command options below. To maximize the ribbon bar, click on the upside-down arrow button on top. For now, we would like the ribbon bar to be minimized. Another customizable option is to display only the tabs and commands that you use. This will allow you to remove the extra unused buttons. To do this, right-click on the ribbon bar and select Customize the Ribbon to display the Grapher dialog with the Customize Ribbon options. To see the list of the available commands in Grapher, change the Choose Commands From to All Tabs. To edit all window type ribbon bars, change the Customize the Ribbon to All Tabs. Now say that you do not write scripts and aren't interested in the script recorder. You can turn off the display of the Developer tab, which houses both of these commands. To remove the tab, on the right side of the dialog in the Customize the Ribbon section, uncheck the box next to the Developer. Now when I click OK, the Developer tab is no longer displayed as a tab for each window type. For example, right now you can see the Plot window tabs. Previously, the Developer tab would have been to the left of the Page Layout tab. Another option is to create a new tab with all of the commands you frequently use. To do this, right-click on the ribbon bar and select Customize the Ribbon. I am going to add a tab between the Home and Developer tabs, so I must first recheck the Developer tab under Customize the Ribbon on the right side of the dialog. Then click on Home in the Main Tabs section on the right side, but do not uncheck Home. Click the New Tab button at the bottom. Select the new tab Custom in the list. Click the Rename tab at the bottom to rename the tab. I'm going to rename this Frequently Used. In the Rename dialog, enter Frequently Used and click OK. Select the new group Custom below the Frequently Used Custom. This is where I am going to add the graph commands. Click the Rename button. Type in Graphs in the Rename dialog and then click OK. Now, I am going to add the commands I want to display in this tab. Under the Choose Commands From section on the left side of the dialog, change Choose Commands From to All Tabs. Under Plot, expand Graphs by clicking the plus sign next to it. Expand Create. Click Create New Basic Plot and click the Add button. These commands have now been added to the new tab. When I click OK in the dialog box, my new tab, Frequently Used, will appear between the Home and Developer tab with a graph section to create basic graph types. If it was desired, more commands could be added to this Frequently Used tab in the same manner. Grapher also has a Quick Access Toolbar at the top of the Grapher window, which displays frequently used commands. The Quick Access Toolbar can be displayed above or below the ribbon bar. To display the toolbar below the ribbon, right-click on the ribbon bar and select Show Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon. The toolbar appears below the ribbon bar. This feature is fully customizable to give you full control of creating graphs efficiently and effectively. To customize the Quick Access Toolbar, right-click on the ribbon and select Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Click any command from the commands list on the left. Select Exit, for example. Click the Add button and the command is added to the list on the right. Select another command, such as the Golden Software homepage. Click the Add button and the command is added to the list on the right. Some buttons, like the Exit command, show a little green circle. This means that an icon is not associated with the command. But if a function has an icon associated with it on the left side, like the Golden Software homepage command, when you click Add, you will see an icon on the right side as well. One way to get rid of the little green balls is to change the Choose Commands From list to Plot, Plot Menu. The Plot Menu tab has many commands available in the small icons that aren't available from other tabs. For instance, you may only desire to add one plot type to your Quick Access Toolbar. This command can be selected by going to Plot Menu and clicking a plot type such as Line Scatter from the list on the left. Once you click Add, it will be moved to the list on the right. This way, your Quick Access Toolbar will contain only one command instead of all of the basic type plot commands. Now click OK to see the new icons appear in the Quick Access Toolbar. To move the Quick Access Toolbar back above the ribbon bar, right-click and select Show Quick Access Toolbar above the ribbon. This concludes this demonstration on customizing the Windows Interface ribbon bar and the Quick Access Toolbar in Grapher 11. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Golden Software.